Welcome to the class, student. This is second class, maxima minima relatedly. In the last class we discussed theory part. Now you see here we are going to discontinue that one. Here today we'll start with first derivative test. See here the question is given like this. The powers are here, 4 and 3 is there. In general differentiation, if you go for it, it will take much more time to decide whether it is maxima or minima. So what to do here? First derivative test is the best one. So here I would like to take few examples. See Nana, whenever you are going for first derivative test, like this powers are there, apply logarithms on both sides. If you apply logarithm here, x minus 2 all to the power of 4x plus 1 whole cube, you are getting like this. Now you see log f of x, I am not differentiating, still I want to simplify this one like this, plus 3 into log of x plus 1. Right. Now if you differentiate with respect to x, you will get here like this, f of x, f dash x. This is 4 by x minus 2, 3 by x plus 1 you are getting. So here f dash x, still see here f of x into 4x plus 4 minus plus 6x 3x minus 6 you are getting here, x minus 2 and x plus 1. After writing this, once again you substitute the value of f of x. This, what is that? X minus 2 whole for 4 is that, here it is 1, that means 3 you will get, right? And x plus 1 whole to the power of 3 is there, 1 is there, 2 you will get here. And the next one is here 7x, you see this one, 4x plus 3x, 7x we are getting here, right? 4x plus 3x, 7x minus what you are getting now? 2, you are getting 2. Now what we are supposed to do, don't go for second derivative, you better stop here and plot these numbers. What are the numbers here? Minus 1, 2 by 7 and here it is 2. Now you take here whether it is f dash x is positive negative like this. By using that we can get it. Here less than 1 you take any number. See here, anyhow it is square, you have to see these two. If these two are negative, these two are positive, everything is positive now. Now you see here minus 1, less than minus 1 you minus 2 substitute here. Minus 2 if you substitute here, definitely it is negative. This is also negative. Negative into negative, positive. That means this is positive. Minus 1 to 2 by 7 you take down. That is what? You take 0, you substitute here negative. And this is also negative, but here positive you are getting. Leave it. So that what it is positive. Now 2 by 7 to 2, you take 1. 1 you substitute here, it is negative, but this one is positive. So that what? Result is negative. More than 2 you take down, 3 you substitute here, positive, this is also positive, everything is positive. Now we can write like this. What is that? See here, f dash x is changes, f dash x is change from see here positive to, right, positive to negative. F dash x is changes to from positive to negative. Positive to negative means you know very well that f of positive to negative at x is equal to 2 by 7. So you can say that f of x has local max at x is equal to 2 by 7 you can say. Now next one is f dash x is changes from negative to positive. Where? Sir, negative to positive at 2 at x is equal to 2. So you can say that f of x has local minima. Local minima. Yesterday I told you that you please check it out here. Maximum means this diagram I have given. Minima means this diagram I have given. You know that positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive. You can change here. Once again I shown to you that roughly. Now you see this next one. Here no sign change here. You take left side of minus 1, right side of minus 1. So f dash x is same. Right, same at x is equal to minus 1. So you can say that what? No maxima, no minima. No maxima, no minima, point of inflection. So f of x has point of inflection. Point of inflection, you can say like this. Let us do one more question here. Here he has given interval, that is 2 to 4. Then the maximum value of f of x he said here. In this case you take down log, same as it is. When you apply log here, logarithm of here 6 log x plus 2 and 5 log 4 minus x, it is clearly. Now if you differentiate here, with respect to x, you will get 1 by f of x into f dash x. This is 6 by x minus 2 plus 5 by 4 minus x and minus 1. You are getting chain rule, sir. Now you see f dash x is equal to f of x means, right, here f of x is there, 24 here, 24 minus 6x minus 5x plus 10 divided by x minus 2, x minus 4 minus x, 4 minus x, you got it like this. Now you see here f dash x is equal to f of x means x minus 2 whole to the power of 6, 4 minus x whole to the power of 5, whereas here 24 plus 10, okay, and this one 11, 34 minus 11x, okay, here if you cancel x minus 2, 4 minus x here, it become what, 5, and this is what, 4, you are getting here 4. Now according to the rule, same as it is, you plot here, that is what 2, and you know very well that 34 by 11, and the other one is what, something 4, you have to write over here. Now in the same way, if you take here less than 2, means 1 if you substitute here, 1 if you substitute it is negative, 1 if you substitute it is positive, negative into positive, negative, yeah, negative you are getting. Now you substitute here anything more than 2, less than 3, 3 if you substitute here it is positive, if you substitute 3 here it is also positive, that means here overall it is positive. Now more than 3, like 3.5 if I substitute here, it is positive, but this one is negative, okay, but this one is negative, you are getting negative here. So more than 4 means 5 you substitute here, 5, it is positive, but it is negative, so what, negative you are getting. But what he said here, the maximum value, the maximum value means you can say here f dash x changes, okay, changes from see here, from positive to negative, positive to negative, from positive to negative means maximum, so negative at x is equal to 34 by 11, but that he is asking here maximum value. What is the maximum value means? Max value is f of 34 by 11, f of 34 by 11 here it is 34 by 11 minus 2 whole to the power of 6 and 4 minus 34 by 11 whole to the power of 5. See here 22 means 12, 12 by 11 whole to the power of 6, 44. Here you see here 44 minus this 10 by 11 whole to the power of 5, you are getting here like this. Yes, now you see here one example he has given. See, he may use the word local minima, local minima, relative minima, or he may say that word minima, but you have to treat, you have to be careful here, right? All three are what, same, nothing to worry. You see here f of x is equal to 0 he has given, and it is maxima minima at x is equal to a and b has given. That a and b only we are supposed to find. So what to do here? F of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 5x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 10 we have, right? 10 we have. When you start differentiating, f dash x is equal to 5x to the power of 4, 20x cube plus 15x square, 0. So first go for f dash x equal to 0. What happened here? F dash equal to 0 means 5x to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 15x square equal to 0. Now you see 5x if you take common, x square if you take common, x square minus 3x plus 4x plus 3 you will get here equal to 0. That means here what you are getting here, x is equal to 0 is 1, another one is x is equal to here 3 and 1 we are getting after simplifying this one, 3 and 1. Now what to do here? See this, you can decide after differentiating second time. This is 20x minus 60, 20x cube, 60x square, so here 30x you are getting. So at x is equal to 0, waste it is, no, don't take that. Now f of f dash 1 if you substitute here, 20 minus 60 plus 30, you are getting minus 6. See here 1 I substituted here, I got it here minus 10 you are getting. Minus 10 means it is less than 0, max at x is equal to 1. Now f double dash 3 here, if I substitute 3 here in this case, this is 20. So 20 into 8 minus 60 into 4 and 30 into 2 you are getting here 160, 240 and this is 60, right? 60 you are getting here. So that what, this is 60, when you are adding here 220, right? We are getting what, 220 minus, this is what, 4 na? 4 means what you are getting here? See, I substituted here 20 and this one is 240. Right, 240 we are getting here. Please be careful. Okay, now you see here where we committed a mistake. We committed a mistake here. You see, I substituted 3 but I wrote here 3. Cube means 27, sir. Sorry, 27. This is what somewhat 9. This is what something 3. Right, this become what 90. This become what 90 and here it is 540. 540. Yeah, definitely it is what greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then you can say that f of x is minimum at x is equal to 3. So that a is equal to maximum. First is what? Maximum. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, a comma b is equal to 1 comma 3. We got it like this, sir. Yeah, one more question here, you see. Yeah, I've taken on the here. Directly straight away if you differentiate this one, what happened? 2 into x minus 1, 4 into x minus 2, 6 into x minus 3, last one 2n into x minus n, right? So to get extreme values, you know very well that f dash equal to 0. So here better you take down 2x common, you will have what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n, because 2x we have taken common, minus 2 if you take common, 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square you are getting equal to 0. So that x is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, 2 is also there, divided by this one nothing but 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sir, you can cut it off this all, 3 is left over. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 by 3 at 2n plus 1 by 3. Why? Because minimum I said. Why minimum means f double dash x. If you go for it second time, you will have a 2, your 4, 6, so on plus 2n. This is positive. Therefore, at x is equal to 2n plus 1 by 3, f of x is many. F of x is many. One problem I want to take now. One previous NID question based on extreme values. You see here, previous NID 2004 question it is. NID 2014, not 4, 2014 question he has given. What we have to do here? F of x is equal to f dash x, we will go for it. Alpha by x, 2 beta x plus 1 we are getting. He said that he has given that f of f dash minus 1 is 0 and f dash 2 is also what? 0. Both are 0. Why? Because he only said that what x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2 are extreme points. Extreme points means f dash x is 0. So we got it like this, sir. In this one we will substitute minus alpha minus 2 beta plus 1 equal to 0 is 1. When you substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this, when you substitute 2, alpha by 2, 4 beta plus 1 equal to 0. So alpha plus 8 beta plus 2 equal to 0. This is second equation, this is first equation. To get the values of alpha beta, you have to solve here. Minus alpha minus 2 beta plus 1 equal to 0. Alpha plus 8 beta plus 2 equal to 0. If you add here, 6 beta plus 3 equal to 0. So beta is equal to minus 1 by 2, you got it. So now you see here alpha we can get it. Alpha is equal to minus 2 beta plus 1, you can write from the 1. From 1. Okay, from 1 we can get it like this. Now what alpha is equal to? Minus 2 beta means 1 plus 1. So alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but what? First one is the correct answer. You see here one more question I have taken here. In this question he said only one minimum, only one maximum, one minimum, one maximum, another one is neither minimum nor maximum, he said. Generally a big equation is a little bit lengthy, people are going to get scared about it. No sir, you have to have a little patience, that is more than enough for us. A naught plus, you see here, a square, just to you please believe the concepts. Okay, you believe in the concept and go ahead. Nothing I am doing here, you see here, differentiate with respect to x, I'll get f dash x. This is a naught 2 a1 x 4 a2 x cube, like this we'll get an 2n x to the power of 2n minus 1, we got it. Right, what we have to do here? F dash x is equal to 0 for maxima minima. Yeah, we are going for that. Now if you go for that one, a naught means this is 0 sir. Right, you can take here x common, 2x if you take common, a1 plus 2a2 x square, right, etc etc, an 2x you have taken, x to the power of 2n is left out, n is also there, right, n because 2x we have taken common is equal to 0. So that what x is equal to 0, because this is even, it cannot be 0, therefore only x is equal to 0 is the one solution. We got it. Now question is whether it is maximum or minimum, means you differentiate here. 2x1 here, fourth is a 12a2 x square will get like this, 2n an 2n minus 1 and x to the power of 2n minus 2. Sir, it is even, sir. Even though if you substitute 0, f double dash 0, what happened to a1 is what, like this. So we can say what, minimum at x is equal to 0, and that to what, only one minimum. Only one minimum at x is equal to 0. That is what, at x is equal to 0 we got it here. Though the equation is such a big equation, it will have only one. You see here, not only the first derivative, second derivative test here to identify maxima minima. To find maxima minima, we can go for different topic concepts also, like arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean, like trigonometry. Here trigonometry is also there, like quadratic is also there. How? You see here, for different ways are there to get maximum minimum value, not only differentiation, sir. So for that I've selected here first trigonometry. What is the trigonometric one? Say like this, f of x is equal to 7 divided by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 6 you take down. In trigonometry you have learned that a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is there, c minus root over a square plus b square, c plus root over a square plus b square. You have, this is minimum, this is maximum, and range also you have learned, that is c minus root over a square plus b square, and c plus root over a square plus b square is range. You have learned this formula. Now I would like to apply this here. He said that f is minimum. F is minimum means denominator is maximum, the total result is what, minimum. So what here, minimum, maximum of 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 6. I will take one example here to explain this one. See, this is one example here, plus 6 is there, 6. This is maximum he said, right? When he said here maximum, 6 under root of 4 square plus 3 square. You see here, 7 divided by 6 plus 5 will get what, 7 by 12 you will get, right? 7 by 11, I think 11 you are getting here, sorry, 7 by 11 is minimum, right sir? This is what, if it is maximum, denominator maximum, this is minimum. We got it in this way. Suppose the same question I would like to give. So for example, if it is minus, you see here one more question, alteration. Yes, I would like to do simple alteration here. If I keep here minus, then you see here at that time what you have to write, minus c you have to write, minus c you have to write. Here you are, what you are going to get over here, minus 7 is your maximum. Like this also you can do, right? Like this also you can do. Now you see here, I want to highlight one more formula. What is that formula? It's very clear that suppose in a trigonometry, secant square theta b cosecant square theta is given as a function. I said it to you that minimum value, minimum of f of x is a plus b whole square, and at x is equal to tan inverse under root of b by a. Right, I want to encourage the student, whoever are interested in memory, based on memory, they can by heart this one as a formula. B square, sir, sorry, b square, this is square is there. So now what is that? Directly we can write that f of x is minimum of f of x means a plus b, 2 plus 5 whole square, that is what, 49. Here 49 is only one, so that you can write the mark answer, but you according to the formula you can write here x is equal to tan inverse of under root of b by a. B is what, sir? 5 by 2, sir, right? At x is equal to that. So here memory based problems are also there, please concentrate on that. Yes sir. Now you see here one more is there. So I have given 2 examples in trigonometry. This one also what given as a x, but generally people are going to think f dash x. No sir, you can take the quadratic equation. So in quadratic equation help, what we are going to do, you see this one, you will understood. Let us assume that the given one is some y. So x square plus 2x plus 9 you will get. After simplifying, you will get here x square into y minus 1 and 2x into y plus 1 and 9 into y minus 1 equal to 0 you will get. See this? Generally we can write directly. Now what is that? It is exists for all real. If it is true for all real, then directly you can say that discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. What is the discriminant here? 2 into y plus 1 whole square, 4 into y minus 1, 9 into y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Sir, here y plus 1 whole square minus 3y minus 3 whole square you can write greater than or equal to 0. Right? It's like. So y plus 1 plus 3y minus 3. Another one is y plus 1 minus 3y plus 3. Right, this is y, sir. Right, greater than or equal to 0. Now here 4y minus 2. The next one is 4 minus 2y. Okay, greater than or equal to 0 is there. So y minus 1 by 2 and y minus 2 you can write it is less than. So you can write directly. You know that while solving that inequalities, I taught to you that PNP method. No, yes, no. Yes, no, yes method here. Y belongs to 1 by 2 to 2. This is closed interval, sir. Closed interval. So that minimum of y is 1 by 2. Maximum is 2. Range is what? 1 by 2 to 2 also you can say. Okay, student. You see here, I would like to take one more example here. The condition for this to have no extreme value. What we have to do, sir? See here, f of x. Whatever he has given here, I am taking same as it is. X square plus qx plus r. This is like this. Now you see, I would like to differentiate with respect to x. What will get here? F dash x. 3x square plus 2px plus q plus 0. Or f dash x is equal to 0. Generally, we will go for extreme value by using this condition. If you use this condition, 3x plus 2px plus q is not equal to 0. Actually what? No extreme value. No extreme value. No extreme value means what? Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 is nothing but what? Here in quadratic equation concept is very easy. What is that? Delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0. We are going to use this condition for all x belongs to R. So that here 2p whole square minus 4 into 3 into q, b square minus 4ac, sir, ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic equation, discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Yeah, here I am using that one. So p square minus 3q less than 0, p square is less than 3q. We got the condition is pq is less than. See, since last 2-3 examples we have taken without using differentiation. Sometimes we did problem based on trigonometry, and now previously we did the problem based on quadratic. Now you see here progression. This concept also we are going to use, sir. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean concept. That is, suppose a plus b, ab are two numbers are there. A plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab is. Yeah, you can write greater than or equal to. You can write harmonic means 2ab by a plus b. You can say. Right, these are the conditions we are using. Now we are going to solve the problem by using this one. Now the question is when we are supposed to use. How we got that idea? It is very difficult zone you see here. Sum is there, but he is asking product. Sum and product relatedly something is there, means you can think about am is greater than or equal to jm. Now here I would like to take a square plus a square x to the power of 4 as 1a, and the other one is b square y to the power of 4 as 1b divided by 2. Here I am using, sir, clearly greater than or equal to geometric mean, that is under root of a square x to the power of 4 b square y to the power of 4. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean, a condition I used. Now this I can replace. He only said that c to the power of 6. C to the power of 6 divided by 2. Here we will get ab, xy whole square will get. That is c to the power of 6 by 2ab, because ab is positive, otherwise we cannot write like this. So now xy whole square. So c cube by root over ab is less than equal to greater than equal to xy. So you can say that, okay, maximum. Okay, maximum of xy is, what is that? C cube by root over 2ab. Now in this, okay, by using this concept I would like to do a few more problems. This is also one of the best example. Here minimum value of this one we are supposed to find. How will you get that idea? What is the minimum value means? Be careful here. Don't take at once completely. Completely don't think of that. You see here minimum 1 each one you see here. A in terms of A, in terms of B, in terms of C, in terms of D is then you pick up only in terms of A. In terms of A, if you take A square plus A plus 1 divided by A, if you take, you will get here A plus 1 by A. Now you apply. Now you apply the rule. If you apply the rule here, what happened here? A plus 1. You see here, I am writing here. A plus 1 by A. Sir, I am using here arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean concept I am using here by 3 under root of A into 1 by A. So that A plus 1 by A is greater than or equal to 3 you are getting. Say 1. Now I don't want to write the rest. Similarly, I will say. So b plus 1 by b become what? Greater than or equal to 3. Like that, c plus 1 by c is greater than or equal to 3. Right, greater than or equal to 3. In the same way, 1 plus d. This is also c is there. Here d is also what? Same. Say 2, 3 and 4. What to do here? 1 into 2 into 2, 3 into 4. You multiply all. If you multiply all, a plus 1 by a. So now b plus 1 by b and c plus 1 by c and d plus 1 by d is always greater than or equal to 3 to the power of 4 you are getting. That is nothing but if you say this is y, you will get here y. What is the minimum value here? Minimum value is minimum of y is 3 to the power of 4. The first option is a right answer. You see here, like this also we can solve. Yeah, one more example I have taken here. He is talking about a by b. He has given like this a and b. No problem. We'll take here. First of all, what is a by b? You first get that one and then afterward think of this. So x square plus 1 by x square divided by x minus 1 by x. Yes sir, you can think about it like this. X minus 1 by x whole square plus 2x into 1 by x you can write. A plus b, a square plus b square means a minus b whole square. Right, a minus b whole square minus a plus 2ab you can write. So like this if you write, the advantage is like this, 1 by x, here 2 by x minus 1 by x. So instead of writing x minus 1 by x every time, I would like to take some y. Nothing will happen, y you can take. So what happened here? Y plus 1 by y. Now you got it. Now you got it here. When a product, it become what? Some constant you are getting. So that in the middle of the problem also there is a chance you can apply. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Y plus 2 by y divided by 2 greater than or equal to under root y into 2 by y. Gone. So y plus 2 by y is greater than or equal to 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 we got it. So now you can say that minimum of a by b is what sir? 2 root 2 you got it here. So with this example how best we can use arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric. Now we'll do some problem based on global maxima, global minima. Now you see here the absolute maximum of this one is said. Global maxima, absolute maxima same or greatest same sir. So now what he has given, y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. So dy by dx, if you differentiate here 3x square minus 3 you will get plus 0. So dy by dx is 0, 3x square minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to plus or minus 1, we got it. Question is, the interval whatever he has given here, so is this values lies in that interval or not, we have to check it out. Yes, yeah, these all values lies in that interval or not, you just check it out. These all values are lies in that interval or not. So here x is equal to 1 is there, x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 never belongs to 0 to 2. So we should not take minus 1. The only thing is what, x is equal to 1 you have to take. So absolute maxima means, see, absolute max of y is equal to maximum of, you can write here. What are this? Interval also you have to take. Boundaries, what is that? F of 0 and next one is f of 1 and the next one is f of 2 also you have to take. Now you see here maximum of f of 0. What is the f of 0 value means what? F of 0 means y of 0. You can take here f of x here. 0 if you substitute here you will get 2. If you substitute 1 here you will get what? 0. If you substitute 2 here it become what? 8 minus 6 plus 2. You are getting what like this? Sir, 8, 6, 2 you are getting here. What is the maximum value means? This is also what? 0. Right? This is 10, not 10 it is. This is 10 minus 6 means 4 we are getting. Sorry, 4 we are getting here. So maximum of this all is what? 4. So where it is maximum is at f of 2. Right? At f of 2, right? This is the maximum of this. Global maxima, it may be what? Possible at the end of the interval. Yes, you take here. I'll take one more example. In the previous question I said absolute. They may use the value absolute maxima, or they may say the word global maxima, or they may use the word greatest value. You see here is nothing but same absolute value of that one he is asking. So f of x is equal to x plus 1 1 by 3, x minus 1 by 3 is there. Differentiate all to the power of 1 by 3. Differentiate with respect to x. So what will get here? F dash x is equal to 1 by 3 x plus 1 all to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 and x minus 1 by 3 here also 1 by 3 minus 1. That means here 1 by 3 x plus 1 all to the power of 2 by 3 1 by 3 x to power x minus 1 whole to power of minus 2 by 3. Finally, very clearly I can say that 1 by 3 if you take common, 1 by x plus 1 whole to power of 2 by 3, x minus 1 whole to power of 2 by 3 is there. If you take LCM, then your x square minus 1 whole to power of 2 by 3 into x minus 1 whole to power of 2 by 3, x plus 1 whole to power of 2 by 3. This is right. This is what f dash x. Two cases are there. What are the two cases? See, f dash x is equal to 0 is 1 and f dash x is what? Does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist means x square minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to plus or minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1 never belongs to 0 to 1. Right? 0 to 1. Open interval 0 to 1. Boundaries are there. Leave it. Does not exist in that interval. You can say like this. But x is equal 0. 0 means this is x minus 1 whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 2 by 3 equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1. You will get x is equal to you are getting here the one value 2 by 3. Sorry, this is 2 by 3. You are getting what? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. You are getting like this, right? It is only possible for x is equal to 0. It is only possible for x is equal to 0. Right? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is there na? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 means don't cancel like this. Don't say that x is equal to 0 here. Yeah, 3 you can raise a power. Square is there. A plus b into a minus b. You can go for it. So there you will get what? X is equal to 0 is one value we are getting here. Now the question is, greatest value means what we are supposed to do. Greatest value means what we have to do. That is, at x is, the greatest value means the boundaries you are supposed to take. Same as it is. F of x is equal to maximum of f of 0 and f of 1. Nothing is there. 0 and 1 is there. F of 0 if you substitute here, you are getting what? 0. F of 1 if you substitute here, you are getting what? Okay. Greatest value we are supposed to get here. At x is equal to 0. What happened here? At x is equal to 0. You see this f of 0 value is 1 to the power of 1 by 3 minus of minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3 is nothing but 2. So f of 1 value is 1 to the power of this is 2. 2 to the power of 1 by 3 0. 2 to the power of 1 by 3 comparatively that one is 2. Therefore greatest or maximum of f of x, g max of f of x is f of 0, that is what? 2. Okay, that is what? 2. We got it here. You see here, one more question I have taken here. So now application, how we are going to apply maxima minima in various, you see this one. Suppose if you have taken here a plus b is equal to pi by 3 as given, this maximum value of this one is asking. So sir, go for tan, trigonometry I am applying here, tan pi by 3. See here, that AM GM you have learned, that you can also use here in the middle, no problem. So you will get here tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to root 3. See this one, tan A plus tan B is equal to root 3 minus root 3 tan A tan B. You got it. With this you can't do anything. You know, you have learned all the methods, techniques, all those things. Now you apply. What is that? Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. What about what we are supposed to write? See here, tan A plus B by 2 is greater than or equal to under root of tan A tan B. Now you can replace this one by this one. From 1 here, root 3 tan A tan B. Here 2 root of under root tan A tan B, you can write. If you go for SBS, 3 minus 3 plus 3 tan square A tan square B minus 6 tan A tan B. This is what? 4 tan A tan B. Sir, writing tan A tan B is really a wasting of time, sir. Let us take down y. Nothing will happen here. If you take y, what happened here? You see 3 plus 3y square minus 6 minus 4, 10y is greater than or equal to 0. Now you see 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 greater than or equal to 0, 3y minus 1 and y minus 3 is greater than 0 according to the rule PNP method. 1 by 3 3 if you take, yes, no, yes. So y belongs to minus infinity to 1 by, or you can say like this, y is less than or equal to 1 by 3 and y is greater than or equal to 3. So maximum means here y, max means the value is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 you have to take. This is maximum. Minimum means that one we have to take. So what is that? Tan A, tan B maximum value is 1 by 3. You are getting like this. So in application, we'll go for another one. Now you see here, one more application. This is what coordinate geometry related application is there. The point on the curve is asking, the tangent to the curve has the greatest slope. So you do one thing, y is equal to x plus 1 by x square as given. Okay, we'll differentiate. dy by dx, we'll go for it. When you go for dy by dx, 1 u by v formula I am using here, x square minus x into 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. That is what dy by dx is equal to, finally you will get here 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. You got it. So dy by dx you got it here like this, sir. Okay, you see here he said that tangent to the curve greatest slope we got. Dy by dx, if you go for it, it is a slope of the tangent. This is slope of the tangent. You got it. But he said that tangent to the curve has a greatest slope. Greatest slope means what you have to do? dm by dx you have to do. Once again you have to differentiate. If you differentiate here, 2x into 1 plus x square whole square minus 1 minus x square, 2 into 1 plus x square 2 minus 1 into 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 4 will get. Now you see here, dm by dx is equal to 0. dm by dx is equal to 0. You take down, no problem, here you take down 0. What happened here? You see, minus 2x, 1 plus x square I am taking common, 1 plus 2x square I am taking common. What is the left out one here? 1 plus x square is left out, minus also taken, 2x also taken, is 2 is there, this and this multiplied. Here 2 minus 2x square, okay, equal to 0. When you have x square whole to the power of 4, nothing. This is either x is equal to 0 will get here. Another one, this cannot be 0, this is 0. This is 0 means what? You see this one, this is 0 means, is 2 is there, 2x square. So x square plus x square minus 3. So equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Anyhow, in the option nothing is there like that. Is there? Nothing is there. So when x is equal to 0, what is m? That means m means what here? Y. That is not. Here y. Capital Y you take down. Y. What is that? X is equal to 0 means m. What is the value of this one? You see that what is the value of this one means if you substitute here, right? If you substitute here x is equal to 0, if you substitute in this one, the curve. Sorry, in the curve we have to substitute. Sorry, in the curve we have to substitute here. This is not y. So x is equal to 0, we got it. Greatest slope at what? This point. Then you substitute here. Y is also 0 by 1 plus x square you are getting. That means what? Y is also 0. The point is what? No, 0 comma 0 is there. 0 comma 0. 1 is 0 comma 0. Okay. The other one is what? Root 3 is there. You see this one? X square here. You just check it out. Minus if you take common. 1 plus x square plus 2 minus x square is there. Okay. Here, unfortunately, I wrote the options as 0. Actual options are given like this. 1 by 2. See this one. Minus 1 by 2. And the other one is 2 by 5 and 0 is there. We got it 0. So 0 is the answer, sir. Sorry, sir. Right. One more problem based on application. You see here I have taken f of x is equal to 1 plus b square x square plus 2bx plus 1 is there. Okay, we'll differentiate. What he has given here, please catch that point, and straight away I am differentiating here. Okay, we differentiated. M of v is minimum. First of all, m of v we have to get. Where f dash x is equal to 0, yeah, you are getting like this. X is equal to minus b by 1 plus b square you are getting. Right, x is equal to this one. Why? Because f double dash, if you go for f double dash, 2 into 1 plus b square is left over. This is definitely greater than 0. So f of x is mini at x is equal to minus b by 1 plus b square. But he said that m of b. M of b means what? F of minus b by 1 plus b square. That is 1 plus b square into, so b square by 1 plus b square. Right, 1 plus b square. I substituted in the place of this. x I substituted this one whole square plus 2b minus b by minus b by 1 plus b square. I had to substitute here. I did it that one. Now you see here 1. So if you take LCM, that you will get here at b square divided by 1 plus b square and minus 2b square divided by 1 plus b square plus 1. See here, minus b square plus 1 divided by 1 plus b square, or 1 minus b square by 1 plus b square you have. This is your m of b, but he is asking range of m of b he is asking, right? No problem. We'll take this as what? Y is equal to 1 minus b square plus 1 plus b square will take. We are not differentiating now to get the range. We are using some other different method. What is that method? You see here, what we are doing here, y plus yb square is equal to 1 minus b square. Y I can write like this, b square y plus 1, here 1 minus y we are getting, b square is equal to 1 minus y by 1 plus y. You can write b is equal to under root of 1 minus y by 1 plus y, right? So 1 minus y by 1 plus y is always greater than or equal to 0, sir. That is y minus 1 by y plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So what you will get here, y belongs to minus 1 to 1. Y belongs to minus 1 to 1 we are getting here, right? See student, here I think I may committed a mistake here while taking this one. While taking LCM here I committed a mistake. B square minus 2b square plus 1 plus b square, it is, this 2 are gone, 1 by b square, not this one. We have here only 1 by b square, right? The maximum value of this one means, yeah, sorry guys, here we committed a mistake here. 1 plus b square is equal to 1 by y. So b square equal to 1 by y minus 1. This is b square is equal to 1 minus y by y. B is equal to under root of 1 minus y by y. 1 minus y by y is greater than or equal to 0. So y minus 1 by y is less than or equal to 0. This is one of the easiest method, 0 and 1. No, yes, no method. Y belongs to 0 is open because it is in the denominator. So that range of m of b is 0 to 1. 0 is open, sir. Closes this one. Yes, student. Thank you, guys. Okay, now you see here, after differentiating we got it like this. What I am assuming here, there is a one curve. Let us say that x square equal to 2y. I am taking one point here, x comma y. Chalega. So another point I will take here 0 comma 5. That fellow has given. Here I want to draw a tangent. If I differentiate, this is nothing but what? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent I got it. That is m, you can say that this is m, that is what? X we got it. Let us say like this. Now this is what p, this is q, you can say that. Now you see here, slope of pq means this is what? Normal slope. Normal slope. Right, slope of normal, simply you can say that what? Slope of normal, you can say pq. What is that? Y minus 5 by x minus 0. Say this is m2 and this is m1. Okay, x into y minus 5 by x is equal to minus 1. Why? These two are perpendicular. I use this concept. Gone. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. Once y is equal to 4, x square is equal to 2 into 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. But here in the option he has given only 1 to 2 root 2 and comma 5. You are getting like this. Okay, like this we are going to do. So guys, please go through all those things. Have a nice day.